Orlando Pirates coach Abdusalam Wadu has urged calm and perspective after his side suffered a 2-1 defeat to Mamelodi Sundowns, insisting the title race is far from decided. The Buccaneers were edged out in a pulsating Premier Soccer League encounter at FNB Stadium on Wednesday night, a result that has breathed fresh life into the championship battle. A clinical brace from Brazilian forward Brian Leon provided decisive for the visitors, while Patrick Maswanganyi pulled one back for Pirates in a spirited but ultimately unsuccessful fight back. It marked only Pirates' third league defeat of the campaign, yet its timing has intensified pressure at the summit. Despite the setback, the Soweto Giants remain top of the table. However, their once comfortable 6-point cushion has been cut to 3, and Sundowns still have a game in hand, a significant advantage as they chase a remarkable 9th successive league crown. For Wadu, though, panic is not part of the equation. He said, in football, if you ask me that question when 5 games are left, I would agree with you. But with 13 or 14 matches still to play, everything can happen. We have to keep working and give everything because there can be many surprises in football. The Moroccan tactician stressed resilience over regret, framing the defeat as a setback rather than a turning point. And so the PSL is a very good league with good teams. In this scenario, we wanted to avoid it, but it happened. It's not the end of the world. We have to keep working and keep believing. The loss has undeniably shifted momentum toward Masandawana, who delivered when the stakes were highest after appearing to lose ground in recent weeks. The result has effectively thrown the title race wide open, heading into the decisive stretch of the season. Attention now turns to the Nedbank Cup quarterfinals this weekend, an opportunity for both sides to reset and reinforce their ambitions. Pirates will host Keswick Stars at Orlando Stadium, determined to avoid consecutive defeats that could dent confidence further. Sundowns, meanwhile, travel to face TS Galaxy, aiming to sustain their surge and pile additional pressure on the league leaders. With more than a dozen matches still to be played and silverware on multiple fronts within reach, the battle for domestic supremacy is entering its most compelling phase. If Wednesday night proved anything, it is that the race is alive and far from settled. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.